Good morning, guys. Happy everything, happy morning, happy whatever it is that you're doing today. I'm so excited because I'm finally in Enugu State. I'm sorry I couldn't speak with you guys yesterday, hence why I did the whole road trip thing without even saying a word. Yesterday our trip was so stressful. My father told me that it was 1 hour from my place to Enugu State, but guys, how many hours did it take us to get here? Almost 4 hours. Because first of all, there was traffic. Onitsha was not even the nicest place. By the way, I'm with my cousin. Say hi.
Hello.
Anyway, we're getting ready. We're about to set out. We're in our hotel room somewhere in New Layout. The first thing I want to do today is visit the market. And guys, it's just simple. I want to buy their local street food and then come back to the room and try that out. I think the closest market to us is the New Heaven Market. That's what the guy called it, the New Heaven Market. So yeah, that's where we'll be going to. Today, I'm excited. The keke that took us to ShopRite to go and get dinner last night told us that some of their local foods include abacha, it includes okpa, and it includes fio. Guys, I have an idea of what abacha and okpa looks like, but I don't know what fio is, guys. I don't understand what fio is. So I'm just going to try out. Have you heard of fio before?
No.
Yeah, so we're both going to be trying it out today. I don't know what it tastes like. I don't know what it looks like. I think the guy said it looks like beans or something. So we're going to go to their market and just find that out. We'll be getting 2 portions of these foods for me and her. By the way, her name is Miss Oma. Yeah. So yeah, we'll be getting 2 portions of that food for, you know, the both of us and stuff. And then we'll come back to the hotel and try it out. I'm just really excited. Finally, I get to visit Enugu. See you guys at the market. Bye, ya.
God is never happy nor desire that any money
Mama Chizu, what did they call that? Fio.
Sure.
Keshirishi.
Okay, straight up and go straight.
Okay. Thank you.
you go to the person of
Good morning, ma.
Morning.
Ma, bye, go.
I
Guys, this is what it's called okpa.
So how come a dead person will come to life and it begins
Take my pulse out
to
from
listen
my
to the living? It's not possible. Not at all. It is not possible at all. So what is the goodness of the Almighty God?
Take 500. Okay guys, we're back to the room and unfortunately I couldn't get all of the things. So what I realized from the market was that the foods have time. So the okpa is for breakfast, it's majorly for breakfast. So that's like the major thing you'd see in the morning on their roads or in their markets. And then I was told that the abacha is mostly in the evening, while the, what's this other food? The fio. My cousin and I still find it very difficult to pronounce. The fio is found more in the afternoon. What I got at the market this morning was this okpa. This is what it looks like. It comes in this, I think this is banana. Is this banana leaf?
Yeah, both banana and plantain.
Banana and plantain leaf, yeah. So it comes in this banana and plantain leaf, and then it also has like nylon inside. I've eaten this before actually, but I don't know. Maybe there's something unique about this one. This is what you do for vlogging. Now half of my food has fallen to the ground and I can't pick it up because this ground, I don't know when last it was mopped. Yeah, it's good. It tastes really nice, and then it has like a good amount of pepper, because you guys know I live for pepper. You know, maybe not so much, but then I like things having pepper in it. And the oil is just, I think it's just really good, and it's filling basically. So when you have one and you drink a bottle of water, which I'm not going to be doing, I'm going to be drinking a bottle of Vitamilk, you know, because that's like one of my favorite drinks. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be having for breakfast. This is not breakfast because now half of my food has fallen to the ground. So I'm going to probably step out and find something else to eat. And then when I eventually get the fio and the abacha, I'm going to take you guys along with me. Okay? My abacha just got here. This is what it looks like. You know, my cousin is already working. Mesoma, I'm videoing you. Yeah, so I'm just going to eat this and, you know, tell you guys if it's any different from the one that we've been eating before. Because I eat abacha all the time. Oh. They say Enugu abacha is good. So let's find out. As per usual, I finished it. It's okay. What's this made of? What's it made of?
Okay, it's like something. It's like beans,
But it's different from beans.
Yes. It gives me protein.
It will give me protein. So this one has yam.
Yeah.
What of the achicha? Is there achicha in this?
It has very black.
Oh, I see.
This one is not achicha.
So how much is it?
This is the same thing they used to cook at.
Okay. Guys, this is the fio. Someone else called this thing, is it agugo? That guy was calling it something, agugo, something like that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is fio. It has the fio itself, which is this thing that looks like beans and yam. There's yam in it. I can see onions. We're just going to try and taste this. Wait, bless this. Bless this food. Oh Lord, for Christ's sake. Amen. God, don't let it purge us. Okay, at least it should be sweet too. Better, because I've had so much. I don't know if I've tested it before. I've never tested it. Let me try another spoon. It tastes like beans and yam. Just like when you feel like eating beans and yam, but you don't want beans. You know that feeling? It's not bad. Do you like it? Yummy. And I got this plate for 300. That's how they sell it, per portion 300. It's really nice, I like it. And it has pepper, you know? It's pepper. So basically, before I go back to the food, my cousin is already sitting there devouring it. But before I go back to it, let me just say, the okpa was good. It felt like I was eating the same okpa in my place, but just this one was really soft, you know, and fresh. It was freshly made. Most of the times I buy okpa, I usually buy them in transit. Probably I'm traveling from one place to the other, and they're sometimes not so fresh. For the abacha, it was really good. You know, it was good. It was just like the normal, nothing special. It's just the same abacha I used to have in my place. You know, for those of you who do not know, abacha is also known as African salad. You know, so it was good. It was good, but this fio has been the best thing ever. Like, I'm not even going to lie. And it's so funny because I don't like beans. I don't like beans. I don't know why I like this one. It's probably not something I'll eat every day, but it's something that when I eventually find it, I'm definitely going to try it out. So if you ever find yourself in Enugu, make sure to try okpa, make sure to try abacha and fish, make sure to try fiofio. These are the 3 things. The fiofio sometimes is also made with achicha. I don't know what that's called in English, but I obviously found out that that's a thing here. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. If you also want me to do another street food in the next city I'm going to find myself, also let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.